Hello and welcome everyone to another video of unboxing of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Orange color. The box is similar to as it was before. No changes there. Let's open it. So I believe that's about it. Inside the box you will have an iPhone and a power cable. And this time I don't think there is even a separate SIM ejection tool. Yep, that is it. So here's the phone itself. As you can see, C type. Let's power it on. And as it is being powered on, I'll bring in the old iPhone I had. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I am replacing with the new one. This is my personal one. Uh, I believe it is called Gold. I used to love the color of this one because it had like very shiny gold trim, but it was like a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, it's like anything you do will be shown. This is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Titanium gray. I don't think there is any difference between the two. And this is iPhone 16 Pro Max, Rose Gold Edition. The first phone, I believe they introduced the um, camera control feature button here. Hardly any difference between all of the phones. Excuse this crack here. And a bonus, right? There we go. Now here we see a massive difference. This is the iPhone 4S, which even I don't think it even turns on now. It was my first iPhone I ever bought. Now let's see how they look from the back. This is the first design change, I believe, after 4 years, and this is regular Apple. They only change design like once every 4 to 5 years. And as you can see, iPhone 4S, 14, 15, 16, and now 17. Let me just place them in order. There we go. So as you can see, there is hardly any difference in these three phones. The major difference is here, where the camera bump is way bigger now, and there is a different finish in the back with the Apple logo. Apart from that, Mm, all the features look almost the same because you have the same camera, which is slightly bigger sensor, but almost similar to 16 Pro Max. This is the 15 Pro Max, slightly improved here, and 14 Pro Max being the smallest camera bump. But I have a small protector here that makes it look slightly bigger, but it is compared to 15 Pro Max, it is slightly smaller, and of course, the smallest one. Let's see how it looks after turning on. Awesome. Now we'll set up the iPhone here, and thank you for watching the video. And once the iPhone is set up, I'll probably make another video just to show you what are the different features, if possible. But other than that, that's about it. There is hardly any difference. The new feature set is similar to the new update that came up, and it is exactly same. There is no difference in iPhone itself when it comes to software. It's the same software, and all I think till iPhone 12 even got the same update. So if you have an older version of iPhone, you will have the same software which is in the latest one. I updated all three of these iPhones and they are all same. All feature sets are same. There is no difference except for this one. Of course, this one doesn't get any updates anymore. Uh, doesn't even turn on at this point. I haven't charged it for a long time because it does not. I lost the cable for charging. One of the major reasons for me to now update to this iPhone was mine had lightning cable charging, which now I hate because all of my devices at this point are C type, and this is the only phone or device that I carry for which I have to carry a separate cable just to charge it. Otherwise, my laptop charges with C type, my other Android phone S24 charges with C type, my tablets, my iPad, my mouse, my keyboards, my basically every single thing, my headphones, my speakers, all of them charged with C type except for this stupid thing. I don't know why Apple chose to change lightning cable to C type after so long. It took them a while. It took as normal with iPhone. It takes them ages to do anything. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one.